believe you can hear me. How are you doing today? How has been trading? Today is Wednesday. How has it been? How's it been? How has it been? Hope it's been good. It's been profitable. If you can hear me, please drop a comment. If the sound is okay, I would like to know. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So what's your plan for today? What's your plan for today? What's your plan for today? Which pairs are you considering trading today? Let me know in the comment section. Which of the pairs are you considering trading today? Okay, my high is on Euro Aussie and Australian dollar USD. Those are the pairs I'm considering trading today. Euro Aussie and Australian dollar. And in next few minutes, I will share my thoughts on A and AU. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? So today is 28th, and the only major news that will be released today is the Australian dollar from Australia, and this news was released at the early hours of today, 2:30 a.m. And the news was positive for Australian dollar. It was positive for Australian dollar. CPI was positive for Australian dollar, and if you chart, you would see that immediately the news got released. Australian dollar USD went bullish, and Euro Aussie went bearish. Okay, we'll see that on the chart. For Australian dollar gained value. It gained value. I think it did close to 30, 40 pips, I think. We'll see it on the chart in a few minutes. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay, so let's go to the chart. I want to believe you guys can hear me. I want to believe you guys can hear me. Want me to analyze, you want us to look together, please drop it in the comment section. If there's any pair you want us to look at together, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, so let's go to the chart. Okay, so let's start with Australian dollar USD. I'm bearish on Australian dollar USD. Immediately the news got released, you can see this spike. You can see it. Yeah, this happened after the news got released. This spike you see here on 15 minutes. So from this point, I think it did not much, about let's say 30, yeah, about 30 pip. Good morning, Mr. Evaristus. About 30 pip to the upside. Okay, so I'm considering selling Australian dollar USD, and as you can see, I've identified my area of interest. This is where I will be considering selling Australian dollar USD. If price does not pull back to this area, I wouldn't be trading Australian dollar USD. I wouldn't sell Australian dollar USD. So I'm expecting price to pull back to this area. Then at this area, I want to see a bearish reversal pattern form before I would go bearish on Australian dollar USD. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. So that's my take on Australian dollar USD. Okay, let's move to the next pair. Euro Aussie. I'm also considering buying Euro Aussie. So on Euro Aussie, I'm waiting for a bullish reversal pattern to form on Euro Aussie. You can see this spike on Euro Aussie. This spike here occurred after the CPI data for Australian dollar got released around 2 a.m. 2:30 a.m. Nigerian time. This spike, I think this did Australian dollar has done over how many pips now? Close to 80 pips. Yeah, 80 pips to the downside. Okay, 80 pips to the downside on Euro Australian dollar, and at the moment it is still bearish. We can only buy after the formation of a bullish reversal pattern. We can only buy after the formation of a bullish reversal pattern. Right now it is still bearish, but it will not be wise to sell Euro Aussie the current market price, that won't be good entry. Okay, so we need to wait. If you are considering selling, you should wait for price to pull back to this area before you consider selling. Okay, so you should be looking for buy opportunity at the moment. So wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame before you buy euro Australian dollar. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Okay, we'll look at gold in few minutes. We'll look at gold in few minutes. Let's move to the next pair. I want us to look at Euro USD. Euro USD also bearish at the moment. It is bearish. Let's start. Let's see the daily time frame. Okay, Euro USD is bearish. Euro USD is bearish. The setup we have on Euro USD is a bearish setup. Euro USD is set for sell. Is set for sell. Okay, Euro USD is set for sale. I would suggest that you wait for price to pull back to this area. Wait for price to fill this gap before you go bearish on EU. Patiently wait for price to pull back. Okay, because if you decide to sell Euro USD from the current market price, your stop loss would be 10 pips above this high. Let's say 10 pips above this high, and the high of this candle is 1.1201. 1201 plus 10, that's 1211. And if you execute sell from this point, it means you'll be taking a risk of about 70 pips, 70 pip risk, 70 pip risk. But if you patiently wait for price to pull back into this zone and you set your stop loss 10 pips above, you'll be risking, maybe your risk will be around 40 pips. Okay, your risk will be around 40 pips, which is okay, But if you are comfortable taking 70 pip risk on a trade, you can go ahead and execute the trade. But I would suggest you wait for price to pull back to this area before you sell Euro USD. That's my take on Euro USD. Let's see what we have on 1 hour. Good morning, Mr. Ismail. Good morning, good morning. You're welcome. You're welcome. So that's my take on Euro USD. Euro USD is bearish, but wait for price to pull back before you go bearish on Euro USD. I hope that is clear. Okay, let's look at gold. Okay, let's look at gold. Um, Gold is bearish. Gold, my bias for gold today is bearish. Okay, it is bearish, but I want to see price pull back. You can see I've identified my area of interest. If price doesn't pull back to this area, I wouldn't trade gold. I wouldn't sell gold. Okay, selling gold at the current market price is at a higher risk. The risk is too high. I don't take such risk because if I'm selling from this point, my stop loss will be at this point, and that's about 200 pips. That risk is too much. So I want to see price pull back to this area so that my risk on this trade will not be more than, let's say, maximum of 100 pips instead of 200 pips. Okay, so that's my expectation on gold. I want to see price pull back to this area before I'll go bearish on gold. Okay, you cannot sell gold from the current market price. This is where price started dropping. Good morning, Mr. Victory. This is where you can see we had a doji at this point. This is a doji, and the next candle closed bearish. So we should have sold from this point. So if you didn't sell from this point, why would you want to sell at this point? As far as I'm concerned, price is at a discount area now. It's at a discount area because if you apply your Fibonacci from this swing low to this swing high, price is currently at extreme discounts. So it will not be wise to buy from this to sell from discounts. You have to sell from premium. So you should wait for price to pull back to a premium area before you sell. That is my take on gold. Okay, you could risk buying. That's a pullback. Okay, if you are buying, you're trading the pullback, and like I told you, if you're trading pullbacks, you should use a smaller lot size. You don't go hard when you're trading what's it called, pullbacks. Okay, reduce your lot size if you're trading pullbacks. But if you're trading along with the trend, you can use the normal lot size you use on every trade you execute. Ifeanyi George, happy to see you. It's been a while. How are you? How are you? Fine. It's been a while. Okay, so let's look at that's it for gold, Mr. Evaristos. That's my take on gold. Okay, my bias is bearish, but I want to see price pull back before I would sell gold. Let's see Euro JPY. I think JPY pairs are bullish. JPY pairs are bullish. Okay, let's see. Let me start with the daily. Let me start with the daily. Okay, so this is what we have on the daily. This is what we have on the daily. So price is about to break this clear liquidity residing at this previous low. So my bias is bullish. As you can see, okay, so price is about to break this clear liquidity. Let's see if it will clear liquidity. Okay, let's see if it will clear liquidity. Now, if you look at how yesterday candle closed, it closed as a shooting star, right? It closed as a shooting star. Let's go down to, let's say, 4 hour. After the close of yesterday candle, what do we have? Okay, we have what looks like an engulfing pattern yesterday. At this point, engulfing pattern created a fair value gap. Okay, it created a fair value gap, but at this point you would see we had a bullish reversal pattern, and probably price is pulling back to either fill a fair value gap that was created or clear liquidity. That's what is playing out in the market. Okay, that's what is playing out in the market. So I would suggest you wait for a bullish reversal pattern. If you are considering buying, wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form on 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. Okay, wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame before you go bullish on Euro JPY. I hope that is clear. Before you go bullish, wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form on 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. That is my take on Euro JPY. Okay, wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form on 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening on 15 minutes. Okay, so on 15 minutes, as you can see, liquidity has been cleared at this area. Okay, liquidity was residing at this previous low. I think it has been cleared. All right, it has been cleared. So if a bullish reversal pattern form, though there's still an area of liquidity here. This is an area of liquidity too. Okay, which is yet to be cleared. So like I said, wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form. Okay, then if you're buying, your stop loss should be, you should set your stop loss, let's see, 1 hour. If you are buying, your stop loss should be 20 pips. Okay, if you are buying, your stop loss should be 20 pips below the low of this candle. Okay, 20 pips, at least 20 pips below the low of this candle. That is where you should consider using as your stop loss. Okay, so that's my take on Euro JPY, Mr. Jeremiah. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form before you buy Euro JPY. That's my take on Euro JPY. Which other pair do you want us to look at? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Let me know. We've looked at gold. We've looked at Australian dollar USD, Euro, Australian dollar, Euro USD, and also Euro JPY. Which other pair? Which other pair? Okay, let's see what's happening on DXY. Let's see what was happening on DXY. DXY, I think DXY is set for buy. Okay, yesterday move was to clear liquidity. Okay, yesterday move, because the news favored, I think the news was positive for the dollar. Am I correct? I think the news was positive for the dollar. So what they did was to clear liquidity residing at this previous low. Okay, so my expectation is that price will pull back to this area before going bullish on DXY. That's my expectation. You can see I've identified my area of interest. I want to see price pull back to this area, this zone, which is discount, before I will go bullish on DXY. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Australian dollar USD, Euro USD, GBP USD are positively correlated. Okay, Mr. Victory. GBP USD, Euro USD are positively correlated. So if we are considering selling Euro USD, then we should also go bearish on GBP USD. Okay, but let's just look at the charts. GBP USD, let's look at the charts. So GBP USD also is bearish. Let's start with the daily. Let's see how yesterday candle closed. Okay, so yesterday the news I believe was used to clear liquidity residing at this previous high because a lot of retail traders would have jumped in to sell after the formation of this bearish reversal pattern. A bullish spinning top and the next candle close bearish. That is a sell setup for retail traders. So a lot of retail traders would have jumped in. So immediately they released the news, what they did, the first thing they did was to clear the liquidity residing at these highs. That was what they did. And like I told you guys, if you joined the live stream session we had before the news was released, I told you guys wait for a bearish reversal pattern to form before you sell. A lot of you jumped in and started selling. That wasn't the instruction. Wait for a bearish reversal pattern to form. And a bearish reversal pattern didn't form on 4 hour. But some of you jumped in and started selling due to FOMO. FOMO is the reason many of you jumped in and started selling. Okay. So liquidity was clear. So let's go down to 4 hour after the formation of yesterday candle. What pattern do we have on what pattern do we have on 4 hour after the close of yesterday candle? Okay, so you can see on 4 hour, this was the pattern we had yesterday. This is a bearish reversal pattern. As you can see, this spinning top is a bearish spinning top. It's a bearish spinning top. Let's see what we have on 1 hour. Okay, this is a bearish spinning top. Okay, this is a shooting star. So we had a bearish pattern on 4 hour and also 1 hour time frame. Also, a support was created at this point. You can see this support was broken, which indicates that there is more supply than demand. There are more sellers. Also, a support was created here. It has been broken. So the market has been breaking supports. You can see it's been breaking support. That's to tell you that the supply is increasing and demand is decreasing. So there's a high probability for GBP USD to go bearish. Okay, that's my take. So you could wait for, let's see, 15 minutes. So this is what we have on 15 minutes. So I think there was a shift in market structure at this point. Okay, so you want to wait for price to pull back. If I'm to sell GBP USD, I want to see price pull back to this area. Okay, this is the area I'll be considering, and that's because that area is a premium area. So this is where I'll be considering taking my first trade on GBP USD, sell trade on GBP USD. I hope that is clear. 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 Any other question? Any question? Do you have any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Do you have any question? Congratulations, victory. Congratulations. If you are yet to like the stream, please, I don't have to be telling you guys this now. Just like the stream. Like the stream. When you join the meeting, just give the like the stream so that others can get to see the video. Okay? So that others can get to see the video. Let's build this community together. Okay, please just give it a like, and if this is your first time joining the stream, please subscribe to the channel so that anytime I come online you'll be notified by YouTube. If this is your first time, if you are yet to subscribe, you've been participating but you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this community together. So it appears there are no questions. All right, I always appreciate you guys for participating. I really appreciate you guys. Please share the link with your friends and loved ones. Okay, anyone who's interested in learning how to trade forex, let them join the classes. Okay, thank you very much. Please, as you trade today, there are no major news for the dollar. Okay, so we might not see much volatility in the market today, but as you trade, ensure you apply proper risk and money management. Always use stop loss. Don't fight with the market. Okay, if the market hits your stop loss, don't revenge. Accept that loss and wait for a better opportunity. Okay, if you lose in the market, there's always opportunity to recover. Okay, we do not lose in this market, we only learn in the market. If the market hits your SL, maybe you did something wrong, so all you have to do is review. Okay, review your trade. What is the thing you did wrong? Note it down so that next time it won't repeat. Okay, the market is always right. Never fight with the market. You cannot win that battle. Okay, you cannot win that battle. Don't fight with the market. Don't revenge. Accept that loss, patiently wait. There will always be opportunity to recover your losses. Okay? All right, guys. Do have a great day. Please, if you are here to like the stream, do that now before you sign out.